in life, when you work, don't work for awards. Just excel at what you do in your corner, whether you are recognized or not, as long as you know your value as a person inside. It's not all the time that you'll be told, well done. It's not all the time that you will be told that you've done well or you are excellent. You just need to know your value yourself. Be self-driven. It must come from inside. Yeah? Yeah. So aim for that. So whether you get an award as a top achiever next year or you don't, as long as your goals according to your targets have been met and you are able to go to the university that you have chosen for yourself, or at least you are able to proceed with your plans, even if it's not university. But you need to be able to implement your plan and go forward with your future.